You are at your best when you're playing with these Japanese flavours, and honestly, mate, it's stunningly good food. It's stunningly good food. Well done.
Tom's starter is a trio of oysters. A raw oyster topped with an apple, cucumber and sake granita. A beer-battered oyster served with umeboshi, a Japanese sour plum mayonnaise. And a grilled oyster cooked in miso and seaweed butter, topped with panko crumbs and oyster leaf.
I'm a massive oyster fan. Believe me when I say they are fantastic. The one that hasn't been cooked, it's got a cucumber and apple flavour, which is just refreshing. But my favourite one, I think, is the one with the buttery breadcrumbs that's flavoured with seaweed. So there's more saltiness to add to an already slippery, salty oyster. Well done.
I absolutely love it. The battered one. The batter is so light and so crispy. It's reminiscent of the best scampi. The buttery, sweet miso and seaweed with the breadcrumbs is like having oysters on toast. It is about entertaining your palate. This is about theatre. I think it's a revelation.
Tom's main is reverse seared ribeye steak, topped with beetroot pickled in kombu, a Japanese seaweed, and a wasabi leaf, with salt-baked beetroot cooked in beef fat, wasabi buttermilk, and a watercress puree, served with a sake and bone marrow sauce.
I really like your presentation. I think it's really modern. I think it's really, really clever. In here, what I have, enhanced by the wonderful flavours of Japan, is roast beef, horseradish sauce, watercress and beetroot. And that is really very clever indeed. Love the beef as being cooked so it's medium rare, medium. The outside's lovely and crispy and well seasoned, and your beetroot's soft.
Thank you.
It's shockingly modern. It's big blocks of... But I understand it. And it's showing great, great technique. Your sauce is beautiful.
Thank you.
A little bit of almost whiskey smokiness from the sake, and then the slippery beefiness of that bone marrow. It's absolutely fantastic.
Tom's take on a lemon tart is a sweet short crust pastry case filled with a yuzu citrus cream, topped with a black olive meringue and candied yuzu peel, served with an olive oil ice cream, olive oil and sea salt flakes.
You want me to sprinkle a little bit of the salt and drizzle a little of the olive oil over your olive oil ice cream?
Yes.
Olive oil ice cream, you start off with sweet, creamy ice cream and you end up with peppery olive oil and a little bit of salt. It is playing with me in a really delightful, delicious way. Your meringue is perfectly soft. This is a work of absolute genius.
It's flawless. The pastry is thin and crisp and sweet and buttery. Your filling with the yuzu is sharp, as it should be with lemon, but also slightly sweet. Across the top, the meringue with the black olives, a little bit of salt from the olives. It is a joyous dessert.
You are at your best when you're playing with these Japanese flavours, and honestly, mate, it's stunningly good food. It's stunningly good food. Well done.
Our MasterChef champion 2021 is Tom.
Well done, congratulations.
Thanks.